Line. Start. Go.
Straight to download 150.
सर्टिफिकेट त्या पोती आणा शिकतो त्या
106 Vanilla. 103 Vanilla. 106 175 BIE
DIE.
173 म्हणजे BIE.
tell them to send us
Hey.
Hey, wait. तो फाटलास तो उभं राहू रे. Yeah, and
Get your chest bent.
Rama, straight अंग पड़ भाई. Look straight.
To begin this auspicious event, we will now commence with the ceremonial garlanding of the portrait of Jean-Henri Dunant, followed by the traditional.
So we want to keep humanity alive, and that is the theme for this year, keeping humanity alive. So it also depends upon how each one's upbringing is. His upbringing was such that his parents, his mother was religious, so he had a religious background, and he was taken always to some orphanages to show how people are not having enough when these had enough. And that is how it all started. That fire of wanting to help, the fire of being kind, the fire of seeing that somebody else does not have enough and we need to share. Such ideas were put inside his mind right from his young age. He grew with that, became a businessman. He did this and started off with the World Red Cross.
Everyone involved in organizing this program, because everything was very systematically organized. I would like to congratulate all the winners of today's run, And thank you for inviting me today. Thank you.
And in Goa, we have our 18th Inch Road, our state office is there. And Taluka wise, we have Bade, Sunset, Mamagoa, and Bonda. Today, part of the celebration in Goa, our headquarters, our head office in Benji with the Mega Medical Camp is on. Today, early in the morning, around about 6 a.m. onwards, many marathon activities already held in Mapsa. And this, in Sunset, we are organizing our Red Cross students athletic small sprint. These both the events are basically creating awareness to the society regarding the Red Cross momentum and our activities.
Please give her a huge round of applause. Please give them a huge round of applause.
Teacher.
Okay, any other teachers there? Please come, all the teachers come.